You're listening to the Achievement Radio podcast, where you can unlock your full potential for success.
Welcome to this motivational presentation of Adopt a Winning Attitude. I will never quit. I am glad you are here, and I invite you to tap into your winning potential by adopting the I will never quit attitude. If life is a game, we all want to come out as winners. You have everything you need to be a winner inside of you, but you need to identify winning habits in order to perform winning behaviors. Do you know one thing that winners never do? Quit. That's right. Winners never quit. They fight on regardless of obstacles, regardless of setbacks, and regardless of self-doubt. They face those with grace and courage because they have one goal in mind, and that is to win. When you approach your life and all your experiences with a true winning attitude, it means that you embrace the idea that you will never quit. The second you decide you are going to quit something before giving it a fair chance, you are already sliding into a losing mentality. Even when you try something and fail, you can still approach it with a winning attitude by giving it your best shot, putting your highest effort into the task, and learning valuable lessons along the way. Winners never quit. You are a winner, and you will never quit. Repeat this out loud. I am a winner, and I will never quit. Vincent Lombardi's famous quote, "Winners never quit and quitters never win," says it best. Even if whatever you tried to do ends in total failure, you can still choose how you are going to act in the aftermath. For example, you can let your emotions get the best of you, causing you to totally give up on trying. Or you can learn valuable lessons from the experience and use that knowledge to better inform your next attempt. A true winning attitude can shine through success and failures. A true losing attitude happens when you completely quit and give up. Winners never quit. You are a winner, and you will never quit. Repeat this out loud. I am a winner, and I will never quit. You must believe in your ability to be a winner if you want it to become a reality. This means you believe in yourself no matter what, and your motivation and desire to achieve, succeed, and win is your most important priority, and quitting is never a part of that equation. Commitment is a serious proposition. Commitment means you are fully and wholeheartedly devoted to your cause, whatever that might be. Winners take commitment seriously. They don't waver, and that commitment is a key component of achieving whatever it is you are fighting for. Those who are committed don't quit. Winners are committed. Winners never quit. You are a winner, and you will never quit. Repeat this out loud. I am a winner, and I will never quit. To be a winner, you must manifest positive results with a positive outlook. Giving up is a negative outlook. It is the loss of motivation that is self-centered on defeat. Winners don't accept defeat as an option. No matter what, they find a way to keep going, keep striving, and they never quit. Winners never quit. You are a winner, and you will never quit. Repeat this out loud. I am a winner, and I will never quit. Repeat after me. Quitting is a choice, and I will never choose to quit. I am a winner, and I will never quit. My desire to win and my winning attitude are stronger than my self-doubt. I have no limits. I am not afraid of losing. It is a part of the journey to winning. Every loss is a stepping stone to a win. I accept that, and no loss can make me quit. Losing is never a reason to quit. Without losing, winning won't feel as great. Losers give up. Winners push through. I honor myself when I persevere. The great Billie Jean King once said, "Champions keep playing until they get it right." You are a champion. You are a winner. You hold all that power when you make the decision to never quit. Persistence is a key quality of winners. Successful people are persistent and they never ever give up. You are a winner. You are persistent and you will not give up. Winners never quit. You are a winner and you will never quit. Repeat this out loud. I am a winner and I will never quit. Live your life with a true winning attitude by committing to not quit. Even when life gets complicated and everything feels challenging, approach it with a can-do attitude. Even when you feel especially challenged by what is going on, if you act from a winning mindset and commit to never give up, great things will happen. Winners never quit. You are a winner, and you will never quit. Repeat this out loud. I am a winner, and I will never quit.
Thank you for being a part of the Achievement Radio podcast today. Your support means everything to us.